Hello, one more video. House for sale in Bugojno. This house is for sale. Like you can see, here is the border. This wall, this is the border. Like you can see, this is the one side of the house. Here is balcony, here is terrace also, 2 floors. Like you can see, this is the asphalt access to the house, so you can see it here. This is the house entrance. This is a together entrance with the neighborhood. This is entrance in the house. Like you can see, balconies all around the house. Half this is the border, so you can have access here to your garage. Here is one garage in the house, and here is 2 more. Like you can see it, this is behind house, and also this is included, this land behind this garage place. This is center of Bugojno. Like you can see, this here, these fruits, this is included in this sale. Like you can see, here is the border, this fence, and these trees here. Like you can see, a really nice area. This is walking 5 minutes from center, and like you can see, really nice area. From here you see it behind the house. From here now you will see the terrace also. There is one big terrace here. Like you can see, all this behind house is big terrace. So this is a house for sale in Bugojno. 5 minutes walking from the center. So really good opportunity with just small investment. You can have really good house. Already is ready for living, but maybe change the aluminium, and that's it. Like you can see here, here is a big terrace. So this is the entrance. Really nice house for sale in Bugojno. Subscribe for more information. You have a number in description. Thank you very much. See you in next video.